Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the second segment. And in the first segment, we've had, mashallah, regulars, and we had Zainab, a first time caller from Ilford, 7 years of age. Hopefully, she will be going over the YouTube video. And I just want to write it down for you so you guys know when you go on YouTube, for example, when you do go on it, what you're going to do, type in my name, okay, like this, and you put makharij. Makharij is double A in English. Take makharij in English. YouTube, Rayan Mahmud, makharij in English, and you learn. How do you learn? I want you to write it like this. For example, write alif on the side, okay? Equals, then you will write the makhraj here. Okay? Then you space your writing out, then write a bar. Then write the makhraj here. Okay? And then you can write tha, write the makhraj here, next to it. Do you understand? Space your writing out, make it look nice. And create your own book, your own folder, and you will have all this learned. Let's go to our next caller. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, Samaya, how are you doing?
Good.
Let's read the 4 slides, please.
Okay.
Yeah, and after you finish, Samaya,
Yeah.
after you finish, hold on to the line because a team member will speak to you, okay? So make sure you don't hang up. Make sure you stay on the line. Hold on. TK?
Okay.
Good
After
girl.
I finish reading.
After you finish with me, straight away, you will hear someone else's voice and they will ask you some questions. TK?
Okay. After I finish reading, is it okay if my sister reads?
Yes.
Okay.
No problem.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم ها خا دال ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد ضاد ضا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها يا.
Excellent. Let's do the third slide.
ظا ثا واو جيم يا ثا سين دال كاف.
Now after sin, it's ha. After sin, it is ha.
ها كاف ذا ألف ضا صاد تا ثا قاف.
Yeah.
شين ذال ضاد حا لام نون دال را غين خا عين ميم سين ذال صاد حا.
Okay. Very good. Now, can you give us a makhraj for alif? Do you know the makharij?
I forgotten them.
Right. So what I need you to do, Sumaya, you know, for Mondays, for your qaida, I need you to go over the makharij. Do you understand? Now, obviously, I've already said you can go on YouTube, okay? Type in my name, Rayan Mahmud, makharij in English. And you have to go and learn that.
Okay.
Learn maybe a few letters every day. Go on to it, listen to it, and you have to write it down the way I've explained earlier. Right, alif, ba, alif till ya, one side of the page, and write the makhraj next to them.
Okay.
Okay, Sumaya, you know when you speak, there's too much noise. You got to keep the noise level down in the background.
Okay.
Are you on loudspeaker?
Yeah.
See, never be on loudspeaker.
Okay.
Okay, now give it to your sister then.
I'll give the phone to my sister now.
Okay, but can you then come back on the line so someone
Yeah.
can speak. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good girl. Give it to your sister. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
One salam. What's your name?
Sabah.
Rabah.
Sabah.
Sabah. How are you, Sabah?
Good.
Lovely. So let's start reading, Sabah.
Alif. Alif.
Yeah.
Ba. Ta. Ba. Jim. Ha. Ho. Dal. Zal. Ra. Ba. Sin.
Sheen.
Shin. Sad. Dad. Hain.
After Saad, Dad,
Da.
it's Ta.
So. Hain. Hain. Fa. Qaf. Jas. Lam. Bin. Noon. Wow. Hum. Ha. Ya.
Okay, let's do the third slide.
Do. Sa. Fa.
The, Fa,
Shin.
Wow.
Ha.
No, again.
Yeah.
Start from the first line again.
Fa.
Hello,
Sin.
Sabah, Sabah. Start from the first line again. The.
Ha.
Sabah,
No.
can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, can you start the first line again, please?
The.
Yeah.
No. 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 Fine. Fine.
I don't know what she's reading.
Fine.
No. Sabah, stop. The first letter is the. Second letter is?
Fine.
No, second letter is fa.
Fa.
Fa. And then? Third letter on the first line. First line, third letter
First line.
is a wow.
Ho.
Yeah, and then?
Fa. Wow. Jin. Ya. Sa. Din. Ha. Ka. Za. Alif. Do. Lo. Ka. Da. Gof.
Uh-huh.
Hin. Sal. Tot. A. Dal. Dun. Da. Ra.
Dal. Noon, dal. Dal. Name of the letter is dal.
Za. Hide. Ho. I'd. Did. Did. Ha. Seed. Salt. Ha.
Okay, very good. Now, Sabah, I guess you don't know your Makharij either, no?
No.
Okay, can you and Sumaya, both of you together, learn a couple of letters every day? So on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, you can learn them first and then say them to me here, okay? Got it?
Okay.
Thank you. Give it back to Sumaya or Sumaya's mummy or daddy, someone. So someone will speak to her now, okay? Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Make sure you don't hang up. Next caller, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Ji Gulzar Sahab, how are you doing?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so we're going to do this now, yeah?
Yeah.
The 4 slides when you're ready.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm just waiting for the screen. Can you enlarge it a little bit?
Yeah, well, let's have a full screen for Gulzar Sahab, please. Thank you.
Right. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, I'm just waiting for the next.
No problem.
Yeah, Swad.
Can we
Swad,
change it?
Ta.
Has it changed?
Oh, the change back again, yeah. Just waiting, sorry.
Can we change? Huh. Gee, it should have changed now, yeah.
Yeah, Sheen, Swad, Dwad, Ta.
Okay, no, slowly. Sheen, Sad, Dad.
Sheen, Swad, Dwad, Ta, Za, Ain, Gain, Fa, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Ya.
Okay, let's have the third slide.
Za, Fa, Waw, Jim, Ya, Sa, Sin, Ha, Kaf, Za, Alif, Ta, Swad, Ta, Ba, Kaf.
Uh-huh.
Kaf. Sheen, Zal, Dwad, Ha, Lam, Noon, Dal, Ra, Gain, Ha, Ain, Mim, Sin, Zal, Swad, Ha.
Okay, makhraj for alif.
Makhrij for alif is empty space in the mouth.
Mouth and throat,
Yeah, empty space in the mouth and the throat. And makhrij for ba, wet section of both lips when they meet strongly. Abba.
Yeah.
Right. Tha, tip of the tongue when it touches the gum line of the central upper incisors. Sa, tip of the tongue when it touches the edges of the upper central incisors.
Yeah.
G, midsection of the tongue when it touches the mid palate.
Yeah.
Ha, midsection of the throat. Ka, upper part of the throat. Dal, tip of the tongue when it touches the gum line of the upper central incisors. Zal, tip of the tongue when it touches the edges of the upper central incisors. Ra, tip of the tongue and the bottom of the tongue when it touches the lateral incisors.
When it touches the gum of the upper front four teeth.
Sorry, yeah, when it touches the gum of the upper front teeth and incisors and lateral incisors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Za, tip of the tongue when it pushes the back part of the palate of the upper and lower incisors. Sin,
No. Za is tip of the tongue when it touches the back part of the upper lower teeth.
Upper lower.
Say azza.
Azza. Teeth, is it?
Yeah, azza, yeah. The upper lower central incisors. Azza. When you say azza, you can feel the tip of the tongue is actually pushing the back parts of the teeth.
Yeah, yes, right. Sin, tip of the tongue when it pushes the palate.
No, pushes the plates. Back part of the teeth are known as the plates. Plates of the teeth, yeah.
Sin, tip of the tongue when it pushes the plate of the upper and lower incisors.
Okay, lovely. The time's up. We've got to finish them. But thank you so much.
Jazakallah.
It was excellent. Next caller, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Who's calling?
Hussein.
Hussein, let's start from the beginning, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف باء تاء ساء جيم ها خاء دال زال راء ذا سين شين صاد ضاد طاء زا عين.
No, the. The is an upward sound, yeah? So it's ta, the. Not za, the.
عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا.
Okay, now let's do the third slide.
ذال
No, the.
ظا فاء واو جيم يا تا سين ها قاف زال ألف
Kaf, za. Kaf, za.
قاف زا ألف طا صاد طا
That's
با
sad, ta.
صاد تا با قاف شين ذال ضاد ها لام نون دال را غين خا عين ميم سين زال صاد ها.
Okay, what is the makhraj for sheen?
For sheen.
Sheen, yeah.
Midsection of the tongue when it touches the mid palate.
Asha. Say asha.
Asha.
Can you feel that?
Yes.
Middle of the tongue touching the middle palate. Okay, next. Sad.
So tip of the tongue when it touches the back side of the back part, the plate of the upper and lower incisors.
Okay. Next one. Dad.
Right or left side of the tongue when it touches the gum of the right or left upper molars.
Okay. Ta.
Tip of the tongue when it touches the gum line of the upper central incisors.
Dha.
Tip of the tongue when it touches the edges of the upper central incisors.
Ain.
Midsection of the throat.
Ghain.
Upper part of the throat.
Fa.
The edges of your upper incisors when it touches the wet area of the bottom lip.
Qaf.
The back end of the tongue towards the throat when it touches the soft palate.
Kaf.
The back end of the throat towards the mouth when it touches the hard palate.
Lam.
Tip and side of the tip when it touches the gum of your front upper 8 teeth.
Okay, names of the teeth, do you know them?
Sorry?
Do you know the names of the upper 8 teeth?
No.
Okay, that's something you have to learn. Meme.
Mean dry section of the lips when they meet.
Softly. Dry
Well,
section of both lips when they meet softly. Noon.
Tip of the tongue when it touches the gum of the upper 6 teeth.
Wow.
Circling of the lips and complete closing of the lips.
Ha.
Bottom of the throat.
Ya.
Empty space in the mouth and throat.
Okay, fine. Listen, what we're going to do, I guess Hashir and Abiha is going to read, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, your time is finished. After, I'm going to listen to Abiha and Hashir after the break, okay?
Okay.
So make sure they hold on and they will do the same thing and we will do Mukharij with them. Let's see how far they can get.
Okay.
So don't go anywhere. After the break, everyone else, it will be from Manchester, and anyone else who wishes to call in, do call in because we've got our guest coming on in the last segment. Assalamu alaikum.